In this video, we are going to look at finding the common fractions that are easily reducible before you do all of the algebra. So we can rewrite this as 3 times 2 over 9 times 3 divided by 14 times 3 over 12 times 2 to the negative 1 plus 12 thirds minus 4 eighths. Now immediately looking at this, hopefully you'll realize that when written in the second form, you notice that there are 2 3's, and the 2 3's should give you a hint that they could cancel out. I'll do it both ways so you can see why they will cancel out. In blue, it's non-cancelled, so you're going to get 6/27, and if you divide both by 3, just like there's 3's up here, you are going to get 2/9. So that just shows you, if you're given something that can easily be reduced, reduce it before you multiply it out, just to save you some of the hassle. Let's see if we can find anything else that can easily be reduced like this. Well, we're actually given 3 over 12, which can easily be reduced to 1/4, and we're given 14 over 2, which can be reduced to 7. We're not done yet though. 12 thirds can be reduced into 4, and negative 4 eighths can be reduced to negative 1/2. So I'm going to write all of these out just so we have a little bit of a basis of what we're doing. 3 times 2 over 9 times 3. So in this case, we're canceling out the 3's. Okay, they're gone. So that's going to equal 2/9. We're dividing it by 14 over 2 times 3 over 12. So in this case, the 14 over 2 is going to reduce to a 7, and the 3/12 is going to reduce to a 1/4. 7 times 1/4. They're both to the negative 1. Now plus 12 thirds, and that can be reduced by dividing both sides by 3, sorry. So that leaves you with a 4 minus 4 eighths, which can be reduced to 1/2 by dividing both sides by 4. So now we just have to clean things up. We have 2/9 we have 2/9 divided by 7/4 inverse plus 4 minus 1/2. So clearly, going by bedmass, brackets, exponents, we need to deal with the negative 1. Well, let's think about that. From the previous example, we know the negative 1 would flip the exponent. So it equals 2/9 divided by 4/7 plus 4 minus 1/2. And how do you divide fractions? You flip and multiply. 2/9 flipped and multiplied would be times 7/4, and look at that, can easily be reduced. Plus 4, but now we want to combine this into the same denominator. So that'd be 8/2 multiplying both top and bottom by 2 minus 1/2, which would equal 7 over 9 times 2 plus 7 over 2. Not quite done yet, because now we need to combine the second term with the first term. And how do we do that? We get the same denominator. So in order to do this, we're going to multiply both by 9, which will equal 7 plus 7 times 9 over 2 times 9, which will equal 7 plus 63 over 18, which will equal 70 over 18, which can be reduced because both of them are even. 35 over 9, which would be the final answer since 35 does not divide 9.